Good morning, children. This is Shrivalsa speaking. Children, we have been dealing with chapter rational number, exercise 9.1. Okay, all right. We have already discussed about till question number 5. We are gonna discuss about question number 6 here in this video. Which of the following pairs represents the same rational number? We are given a pair of rational number and we have to check whether it is giving same rational numbers or not, or same pair of rational numbers or not. Let us check, children. The number is minus 7 by 21 and other number is 3 by 9. Okay, children, number is 3 by 9. Let me write nicely. Yes. Now how we will check, children? Very simple. We will just take LHS and RHS. Minus 7 by 21. Okay. What we can do, children? We can just simply cancel. We can simply cancel over here. We know that 3 sevens are 21. Here is nothing, means 1. Answer is minus 1 by 3. Right hand side, what is the number? 3 by 9. Let us cancel 3 and 9. 3 3s are 9, 1. Here is 1 by 3. Children, there is something that needs to be understood very nicely. One number is minus 1 by 3, other number is plus 1 by 3. Okay, both are numerically same. Their numeric digits are same, but the symbols are different. One is negative number, this is negative number, and this is positive number. Otherwise, both are proper fraction. One is negative proper, other one is positive proper. Children, they are not same. Minus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 3 are not same. So, it is unequal. Let us check the next number. Next number is about minus 16 by 20 and other number is 20 by minus 25. Let us check. Come on. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. I am getting minus 4 by 5. In my right hand side, the number is 20 by 25. Let me cancel with 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Answer is 4 by minus 5. Children, there is something which may confuse you, but we won't be confused. One, my left hand side is and right hand side, their numeric numbers are same. The numeric values are same. Both are 4 by 5. But in left hand side, minus sign is with the numerator and right hand side, the minus sign is with the denominator. Children, always remember, no matters whether the minus sign is in the numerator or in denominator, doesn't matter at all. Both are always same. Means, if the minus sign is with 4 and if the minus sign is with 5, no matters, both the numbers are negative numbers. Both the numbers are negative numbers and they are same. Minus is in numerical numerator place, and right side minus sign is in the denominator place. Both are numerically same only. No problem in that. Okay, children. Now, so in this way, children, we have to check all the numbers given in the question. Now let us talk about question number 7. Question number 7 is about rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. Minus 8 by 6. Simplest form is, children, just reducing them into the simplest form. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. It is minus 4 by 3. Now, if you want, you can convert it to mixed fraction. Divide 4 with 3. 3 1s are 3. Here will be 1. So, answer is 1 1 by 3, but as there is a minus sign is there, so answer will be minus 1 1 by 3. So this is how we can reduce any number into the simplest form. Now children, I want you to understand this one. Fill in the blanks with the correct symbol, with the greater than sign or lesser than sign or equal to sign. Suppose a number is minus 5 by 7 and other number is 2 by 3. I don't know whether they're equal or not, greater or not. I know that left hand side number is smaller, but still we will compare making them equivalent fraction. Question comes, sir, how to make them equivalent fractions? Let's see. Let me erase my screen first. I'll write minus 5 by 7. Then I'll write 2 by 3. LCM of 3 and 7 will be 21. Write 21 here, write 21 here. Children, when 7 becomes 21, when we multiply it by 3. So I have to multiply 3 with the numerator also. If you are taking 3 product with the denominator, so you have to multiply 3 with the numerator as well. It's a rule. So 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Now how 3 becomes 21? When we multiply it by 7. So we have to multiply 7 here also. 7 2s are 14. Now children, both the numbers are having equal denominators. It is quite understandable that 14 by 21 is larger than 14 by 21 is greater than minus 15 by 21. So 14 by 21 belongs to 2 by 3 is greater than minus 5 by 7. So children, I could have compared directly by seeing their sign, but I wanted to teach you by making equivalent fractions, because this process will be needed throughout all the sums of this question. I want you all to try out these questions right from 1 to 8, and we will compare by making them equivalent fractions. This concept is of class 6 standard, making equivalent fractions. I believe it's clear to everyone, and I will try out this way in this process. If there is any doubts and confusions, please let me know. Feel free to speak to me. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much everyone.